everybody, this is Nora with XL-057 and here I am back with Beauty Big Bang's. We're going to do the review with the second set of Beauty Big Bang's brand new stamping plates. These are XL-050, XL-051 and XL-052. Beautiful stamping plates. Look at the beautiful sleeves. I like this. I'm a sucker for black and white. I love anything black and white, so I like how these are, the design on the outside of these sleeves and the prints. I am going to remove these from their beautiful packaging and take a close look at them. Okay, so here is XL-050, and as you can see, it has some of the plaid print for background with the foreground and background images. Beauty Big Bang, they have done this before with one other plate. Beautiful images here. Remember that as always, they have their nice backing here with their logo to protect the plate and protect yourself. And I will repeat, Beauty Big Bang does ship. They ship free across, the entire world. They're worldwide shipping. So I don't believe there's a country out there that can miss out from Beauty Big Bang. So do check out their website if this is your first time hearing from them or about them. I also do have a 10% code that will get you a 10% discount across their entire website, and that's NAQ57. I'll have all information and also the direct links to these plates down in the description bar below. Check out this one. This one is XL-051. It has more of a leaf motif and there's some animal print in here. Look at that. Aren't those beautiful? Yes. I will go ahead. I believe I have a design in mind here to do with this, and if I do that, I will go ahead and show you that picture at the end of the video. And here is XL-052. So with this one, we have more florals. Here's some roses here, more of the animal print like croc print here, and they're just so versatile. Look at how pretty that image is right there. Beautiful, beautiful stamping plates. Here's more of that croc print right there. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to do some swatches so you can see how well these work. If you have any questions about them, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Alright guys, so here is the finished design after I did put a top coat and did some cleanup. What do you guys think? I think it's turned out super cool. It's somewhat of a tropical wild design with this wild cat there and on my middle finger, and on my right hand I just did the I left out the wild cat, just did the pattern of the animal print and the leaves. Super cool and so easy to do, and it looks like it would if there was so much more going into it. there you guys have it. That is my review on these 3 wonderful stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these gorgeous stamping plates to play with and review. Remember that I have a 10% off discount code, NAQ57. If you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.